Okay, next one up, returning client with his Honda CB1000 R. We have done this once before. It was the beginning of the winter. He has been using it daily, so she's pretty filthy. This is going to get another one of our full works packages. This paintwork on these Hondas, or most bikes nowadays, is so soft. Look at that. I did all this last time he came to me, but every little rub against that, you managed to scratch it. So we're going to get all that minted up. We're going to do a two-stage machine polish on all that bodywork. We're going to seal it with the Ultimaxx Signature quartz, which should help with the corrosion. Get all this old chain lube and muck off of here. We'll re-lube all that back up. All these little bits will get a bit of metal polishing. Same with the back of these wheels. You see these little strips here all corroding, so we'll get all that cleaned up. We'll polish those little strips, get it sealed with some XCP, get all these banjo bolts all sorted out, and then we'll get it in the studio and crack on with a bit of paint correcting. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this will be quite a transformation. So enough of my jibber jabber, let's work a bit of chop magic. Okay, 2 hours in, this CB1000 is coming along nicely. Oh my God, what a transformation on this beast. Everything's been XCP'd. Just doing a little paint correcting. There you go, that's before. That's after. One run with the Cartec 3000. Let's get that dust off of there. Look at the difference in that. That is one run. Oh. Anyways, let's finish up that tank, do another run, and then we'll seal it up, and she is finished. There you go. Just over 2 hours and 30 minutes. This CB1000 has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our legendary full works valets, which includes the 2-stage paint correction and the ceramic. Everything has been meticulously cleaned, touched up a few bits, the end can there with a bit of satin black. All the motors have the XCP corrosion protection, all your frame. Look at that paintwork. Oh my God. Managed to remove most all those scratches. That's had a 3-stage machine polish with the Cartec. Start out with the 3000, 9000 and finish off with the 12,000. We then sealed it with the Ultimaxx ceramic. Look at the gloss on that. Everything has been minted. All your discs, all the edge of your discs have all been minted up. All done in 2 hours 45 minutes. Get yours booked in now. 07966 249 963.